Hey guys, Brett Russell Marine Products. Today we're going to talk about how to use an iPad as a second screen for our HDS units. Stay tuned. Okay guys, we're going to talk about today how to connect our iPad to our HDS 9 Live unit. First thing we need to do is download the LOWRANCE app on our iPad or Android tablet. And then what we want to do is come in here to our settings and come down here to wireless. And we want to make sure that the built-in Wi-Fi is on so that we can connect. And then we want to exit out of this and we want to go to our settings, and then down here on systems we want to connect and register. Connect now, and we get our QR code up. So now I'm going to go on my iPad here and pull up my LOWRANCE app. And what we do is we've got our menu here on the left-hand side, and we're going to come down here to Manage Device. Okay, so I want to click on Manage Device, and you'll see these are my units that I've got, but we're going to connect to this 9 Live that we've got here. So I want to hit the plus button down here, and it gives us an option for the Ghost or chart plotter. So we're going to add a chart plotter. And then it's going to walk us through. It says, is the chart plotter powered on? We hit yes. And then it's going to ask us if we see a QR code. And obviously on our screen here, we see the QR code, so we're going to hit that. And then it's going to bring up your camera. And what we want to do is just put our camera on our QR code. Okay, and then it brings up, do you want to register this HDS 9 Live? So again, this is going to do two things. It's going to register your device under your name, and two, now we'll be able to control from the iPad. So we want to go ahead and hit continue. Then it asks us if it wants to sync to the 9 Live. We hit join. And then over here on our screen here in a second, it's going to say connected when we're all done. Okay, so now it says this device is connected. So we went ahead and on our iPad say get started. So in our list here, now you can see that we've got our HDS 9 Live now that we're connected with our iPad. So a couple of things that we can do from this screen. We can hit manage, and that's going to tell us all the information about the 9 Live. You're going to have software updates, and then as you get going, if you want to sync your waypoints, routes, and trails, we can do that here so that you can see them on this unit or on the iPad or on your unit. We want to go back here. And the other one is mirror and remote. So we're going to click on that one, and it's going to say connecting. So now that we're connected to our unit, so now we can see that we're mirroring the screen. Now if we want to control it from our iPad, we come over here and press this button, and it's going to ask us, it says allow iPad remote control for this, and we want to hit yes on our screen here, and now we can actually see that we've got our plus and minus, our pages, our menu. You can mark a waypoint, and you can actually power it off from this screen. So we can control this unit from the iPad. So where this comes in useful is, say in high school fishing, if you're a boat captain and you got kids up front and you're sitting at the console, you can use this iPad as a remote to the front unit so that you can walk through, say, side scan, down scan, mapping if you want to look at. You have all those options, and you can kind of guide them through this. A lot of guys will use this for an active target screen. If they, say, have a 9 Live and you can see this is a 12-inch iPad, this is a bigger screen, so you could view active target 1 or 2 on your iPad. So hopefully this was helpful. Just a way to utilize maybe something you've got laying around the house as a second screen rather than going out and buying a brand new unit. So hopefully that's helpful. If you've got any questions, give us a call at 316-313-4113, or you can email us at sales@russellmarineproducts.com. All right, guys, till next time, have a good day.